In this video, I'll guide you on how to download Twitch VODs and videos step by step. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and while you're at it, drop a like. We truly appreciate your support. Stick around till the end to get the full process, including tips on downloading other people's VODs. Let's dive in. First, I'll show you how to download your own Twitch VODs. Start by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner of Twitch. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Dashboard. This will take you to the behind-the-scenes dashboard of your Twitch account. Once there, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Content and then choose Video Producer. Here you'll see all the VODs saved to your account. For example, if you've done a test stream, it will show up here. Find the VOD you want to download, and on the right-hand side of the video, click the three dots. This is the More menu. From there, select Download. Now Twitch will begin preparing your video for download. The time it takes depends on the length of the video. Once it's ready, the file will start downloading. Depending on your browser, the download might appear at the bottom of your screen or in your Downloads folder. The video will save in MP4 format, making it easy to access and share. And that's it. Downloading your own VODs is simple and quick, while downloading others' content requires a bit more care and permission. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.